guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my brow routine. I'm going to be showing you exactly what products I use and how I draw my brows on. So first I'm going to be starting off by going in with just like an eye makeup wipe and wiping off one of my brows. As you can see, I have like hardly any hair on my brows. They're so thin, that's just the way my hair grows. And this brow is actually even worse. I typically always will draw my brows on even like before I start my foundation or start filming a video, just because this one is like really embarrassing. But if you're curious and you want to see, I did a 5-minute makeup routine video, one of my past few videos. I'll link it below, and in that video, since like brows are part of my 5-minute routine, I had to start without any brows on, so you can see how bad it is there. But I'm not about to start another video without this brow on. So anyway, I'm going to zoom you guys in a little closer so you can see me draw on my brow. So my favorite product for years now is the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. I use the color Soft Brown. And it's also important that you use the right brush. I'm using a small MAC 208 angled brush. I always dip into the product and then dip as much excess off as I can on the lid of the product. Also real important so that your pomade doesn't dry out. I always just leave it face down on my desk. That way it stays airtight to the desk. So as you can see, I'm starting by drawing a line on the bottom of my brow. You want to make sure that you start your brow right where your nose ends. You can hold your brush up like this, then hold your brush diagonally. That way you don't draw the tail of your brow down too far. Then you'll always be drawing it from the right start point to the right finish point. After I have the bottom part sketched out, I do the same thing drawing in my arch. And then with whatever is left on the brush, I'm just going to go in hair-like motions and try to fill in as many hairs as possible. Now that I have the general shape, I'm dipping back in with some more product and just making the brow overall a little bit thicker. And once again, just filling it in with whatever's left on my brush. The next step would be to go in with some concealer. I use the Graftobian concealer. I love this palette because there's 5 shades. I use the light shade to go underneath my brow and to clean up my arch on my brow bone. I use the light shade because it'll also act as a highlight on my brow bone. Next, I go in with a foundation color shade and clean up the top part of my brow. Next, I just take a clean spoolie and try to brush the few hairs that are there up. And then I go in with some brow gel. This is by L'Oreal. You can use any brow gel. And again, just brushing the hairs in an upward motion, and the brow gel will help them stay in that upward motion. You want to brush them up because, as you can see, the top part is where all of the dip brow pomade was, and there's no actual hairs. So if I can brush the couple hairs that are there up to cover where there's bare areas, that will just make it look more realistic. And that's it for my brow routine. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you were able to learn something from this video today. If so, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Bye.